And we're back again with another Bitcoin technical analysis video. Hi guys, welcome again. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. Let's see what's happening here in the Bitcoin price. Looking at the daily time frame, as you can see right now, Bitcoin has been crashing for the last like 5 days. You know, ever since Bitcoin went to 24,277, it just got rejected badly there, and then we've just been falling each single day, and finally today we are sort of looking bullish, you know, which is to be expected. But let's go back a little and try to understand what really happened. Like, why did Bitcoin started crashing like this? Okay, so we'll see here last week on July 20, right, Bitcoin went to 24,277. That was the highest it went, and this area here was basically a resistance area. So between 22,500 and 23,500, this was a resistance area for Bitcoin. So that's why Bitcoin, when it got to this area, a lot of sellers just started selling in the belief that the price wouldn't be able to move higher from here because it is resistance, right? So in order for Bitcoin to have been able to continue higher, it needed to close above 23,500, okay? But that didn't happen, you know. We got this bearish candle. Bitcoin closed below 23,500, and the candle here was bearish, and that is one of the reasons why the price just started falling. And of course, there was that news about Elon Musk selling, like, what was it, 80% of their Bitcoin investment. So I think that, plus the fact that we were in a huge resistance area, that is what caused the price of Bitcoin to just started falling. And then right now, as we started falling, we finally found support here around 20,698. Okay, I sort of expected that because we have this trend line here, right? So this trend line, yeah. So it looks like Bitcoin is respecting this trend line. That's why this daily candle from yesterday actually closed way above this trend line, and it left this long wick at the bottom. So yeah, this is interesting to see. Definitely this is like a good area to long Bitcoin. I definitely long Bitcoin right now. I'm in a trade, you know, I'm in a long position just because I knew this support might hold. Okay, so right now what we need to see, okay, we need to see where is the next resistance for Bitcoin. As it is going up, obviously it's going to hit a resistance, and we want to see where that resistance is. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame, and we'll see what's happening here. Okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice that we also have another trend line which is moving downward. Okay, unlike this one here, this one is going up. Okay, and now in here we have a new trend line that started the moment Bitcoin couldn't form a new higher high. Okay, when it went to 24,000, and then it fell, and then it started going back up, but then it couldn't make a new high, and because of that we were able to draw this downward trend line. And now it looks like Bitcoin has been respecting this downward trend line. As you can see, we came here, we got rejected. That's the first one. And then again here, we got rejected. So right now, as you can see, as the price is moving up, this downward trend line is going to be a huge resistance for the price of Bitcoin. So this is what I see happening. I basically see the price getting rejected around this line. So this would be between 21,700 and 21,800, I would say. Okay, so I expect the price to start getting rejected around this price levels here. And from there, what I see happening, we might start falling back down and then eventually break this trend line. This is what I see happening. So I might take my profit around this area here and then see what's going to happen. If we come back down here and then we get another bounce back up, then this might be another good area to long Bitcoin. However, I wouldn't be too quick to long it yet, just because, you know, there's a high chance we might break this trend line here. Okay, there's a high chance we might break it. So yeah, this is very interesting to see what's going to happen in the price of Bitcoin today. It's going to be very interesting to see. Now, however, if we end up actually not getting rejected from this downward trend line, then I expect the price to actually start going all the way to the next resistance, which is like around 22,500. And this would be like another good area to actually short Bitcoin, just because one, it's a horizontal resistance, and two, it is also a vertical resistance here, okay, on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, it is also resistance, okay, on the 50-day moving average here. You see 22,500 is exactly what the resistance is here on the 50-day moving average for the 4-hour time frame. So this is why I'm like, okay, if we break 21,800 resistance, okay, this downward trend line, then we're definitely going to go towards the next resistance, okay, at 22,500, and then I expect us to get rejected there. But if we don't, then obviously we are going to end up going to retest 24,000 once more. So yeah, guys, you know, this is why trading is just, it's like a puzzle. There's just so many resistance after resistance, support after support. Right now, it's just a matter of waiting to see what's going to happen in the price of Bitcoin. However, we are still in a bear market here. You know, Bitcoin has not gone that high, just been trading between 19,000 and 22,000. So hasn't really gone that high. We're still in a bear market. Okay, we've just been forming lower highs and lower lows here on the weekly time frame, and on the daily time frame we sort of tried to start a new uptrend, but it kind of failed because of this, right? So yeah, until Bitcoin breaks the 23,500 resistance, we are still going to remain in a bear market. In order to get out of this bear market, Bitcoin needs to break the 23,500 resistance, which will enable it to form a new higher high. And then this will help us to push back up to like 28,000. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys found some value out of this video. I'm going to end it here for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.